Your homepage is the first impression your visitors get, and if it's not designed to grab attention, you're going to be losing sales. So in this video, I'll show you how to design a high converting Shopify homepage using an actual website we built for one of our clients pre-sleep. This is an exact page I'm about to show you that was converting at over 8% during this past Black Friday, Cyber Monday. And hopefully you can do something similar by the end of this video. So my name is Jeff. I've been running Daydreamers and ecom web design and landing page agency for over 4 years, where we've designed and built over 300 pages for startup brands to brands doing 6, 7, 8 figures in revenue per year. This video will be valuable, hopefully, to those looking to improve your e-commerce homepage. And you want to think of your homepage as like that virtual storefront for your business. It's going to be that gateway that decides if visitors explore further or bounce away. So like I said, today we're going to be using Pre-Sleep as an example. This is a premium sleep aid supplement brand to show you how you can craft a high converting homepage that engages and converts more effectively than what it is right now. So in this video, we're going to be covering the big 3 pillars of an effective homepage. The hero, second is going to be the product and category blocks. And then third is going to be trust building elements. So starting with the hero section, again, it's the first thing that visitors are going to see. So it needs to immediately communicate what you offer and answer the question of why they should care, right? If you can do that effectively in the hero section, the chances of them sticking around and reading more about your brand and your products will increase significantly. So you want to start out with your clear USP, which is your unique selling proposition. For pre-sleep, the hero highlights its solution for the customers, which is just to optimize their sleep. So this tells visitors exactly what they're getting. We also have supporting information like perform your best, recover faster, wake up energized, third-party tested ingredients, just to kind of help summarize the main value proposition. And then you also want to add a bold call to action like shop now or learn more, just to help guide visitors further down into your site. And then the last thing for the hero is just to use high quality imagery. So whether that be like lifestyle images or even just really good quality images of your product packaging or just showcasing the product in use. In this case, you kind of want to invoke training really hard and being well rested, right? But you also want to remember that less is more. So you want to keep this section simple with one main headline, one image, and one call to action. We don't want to kind of be bombarded with the information, right? So you want to keep it simple, and within a second or two, someone hopping onto your site, to your homepage, should understand what it is that your brand is about and what you can do for them. Second thing is going to be the category and product blocks, and just kind of the key sections for showcasing what you offer. So in the product section of your homepage, depending on your brand and how many products you have, you want to showcase 4 to 8 of your best sellers. In that section, you want to include clear imagery, ratings, reviews, pricing, saving tags, a bold call to action button like shop now. You want to try to avoid carousels, and instead you can use like a simple grid layout that's easy to kind of browse and see all in one view. So for example, on mobile, you can use like a 2x2 grid so they can see 2 products in one view rather than having to kind of scroll through a carousel. And then another pro tip could be to make the entire area clickable to the product page. And similarly, for the products, you also want to use category blocks to guide visitors. So for example, if pre-sleep had more products, they could feature like different categories like sleep supplements or bundles, and just to kind of help customers find what they're looking for quickly. And in this example, obviously, they only have one hero SKU. So we just showcased one main product and the 2 different flavors instead of showing different categories or collections. But depending on your brand and how many products you have, if you have more than 3 or 4 or 5 products, just showcase like your best selling products up top, and then also break it down into specific categories or collections. Then you can even throw in stuff like shop by specific needs, just to kind of help guide your shoppers into what they're looking for. And the third part is going to be to build trust with social proof and specific features and benefits. And this is going to be like a no-brainer for any homepage, but you don't want to, again, bombard them with information. Just focus on most important stuff and save a lot of the specifics for your product page. And there are a bunch of ways to do this, but I'm going to list out 5 examples real quick. So when it comes to social proof, you can add testimonials, pre-sleep uses, quotes, or review testimonials like best sleep of my life, and then have it like a longer review there, highlighting UGC, user generated content, whether that be photos or videos from real customers actually talking about their experience using the product, showcasing trust badges or numbers. For example, in this case, we have rated 4.7 out of 5 stars by thousands of customers. Any product value propositions like melatonin free, fall asleep faster, feel recharge, stuff like that. And then just having like money back guarantees just to communicate that you believe in your product so much that you're willing to refund their money if not satisfied. Right. So all these are just trust building aspects to answer any immediate question that they have and just to kind of increase the interest, but also just to communicate or show that other people have kind of co-signed your brand's products, just to kind of build that trust and credibility. Right. This isn't just about showing happy customers or talking about just features. It's about making new visitors that don't know your brand feel confident that they're in the right place. And you want to show that you understand their problem almost better than them and that you have that solution that they're looking for. So the entire homepage from start to finish, starting with the hero, the value props, the product offer, customer reviews, product ingredients, comparison chart, more social proof, money back guarantee, some UGC videos from actual customers, and then more customer reviews. That the specific structure might be different for your specific brand and products, just depending on your brand, right? So it's not like a one size fit all, but this is like a basic general layout that you can follow. I would say if you do want a cookie cutter approach, I would say having the hero section up top always, and then having your product offering right below that, just so it's the second thing that they see, because you want to kind of showcase what the product you're actually selling. And then after that, you can kind of play around with the order of whether it be specific features and benefits, social proof, videos, stuff like that. But I would say the hero and the product offer are usually the first and second sections of a homepage. Hope this video kind of help structure and kind of give you a specific framework that can help you with your homepage. I'm going to leave a bunch of examples in the description of homepages that we design and build for other clients. So hopefully that can also help you as well. But yeah, hope this helped and see you in the next one. Appreciate it. Peace.